Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy LB, and here I'm gonna show you how you can isolate any color in Premiere Pro just in any footage you have. So here we're gonna see like two methods which you can use for making this isolating color. Okay, so as you see here in my Premiere Pro, this is my first clip which I'm going to use, and this is the second one. So for this first one, the first method that we are going to use, it is just Lumetri Color. So now first let me jump on Lumetri Color. So come here on this workspace, and then let me go here on this color. Okay, so we are going to isolate color. So we have to make this clip black, but except this blue one. Okay, so now the things we're gonna do, we're gonna come here on these curves. Okay, so now we know that hover saturation, it helps to make saturation of each color. Okay, so now the things we're gonna do, we're gonna just select this color, okay, of blue. Okay, you have to select the color which you want to be not disable. Okay, so now let me choose this blue one. Okay, so I have to use this icon, and then let me choose this blue one. Exactly, you see this blue one will be selected automatically. Okay, and then other one I have to move it down. Okay, just like this. Okay, you see all the color is already disabled. Okay, so except this blue one. Okay, so you have to make sure, and even this one, it is not coming in the frame. Okay, something like this. You see now all the color, yes, is disabled. Okay, disable except this blue one. Okay, so now guys, when you play, you see all the colors is disappeared. Now I remains this blue one here on this frame. So and then, so this is the first method. Okay, the even tool about this Lumetri Color tool. Okay, so for example, let me just duplicate this clip. Okay, and then let me just delete this Lumetri Color. And then also you can come here on this HCL secondary, and then guys, you choose this blue one, and then you have to select this blue one. Okay, make sure this blue one is selected. I just want to select this blue one only. Yes, okay, I have to select this blue only, guys, something like this. Okay, and then after making the selection of this blue one, you see I have been selected this blue one. Okay, and then I have to click on this icon. Okay, and then other things you have to do, you have to come here to reduce the saturation of these all colors, and then you disable this color gray. And then guys, you see here too, also it is working. You remains the blue only. Guys, here you can just isolate any color you want. So those are the two methods, but which is combined on the one method. Okay, about this Lumetri Color. Okay, how you can isolate this color. Okay, so now let me go jump on the second clip. You are going to see the second method. Yeah, this second method, it is masking. Yeah, you have to mask the any color you want to disable. Okay, for example, I just want to isolate all colors but except this green one. So the things I have to do, and you see I remove this blue line on the beginning of this clip, and I'm going to select this green one by using this free draw bezel. Okay, so I have to mask something like this. Okay, either guys, just make sure you can zoom it well in order to see what you are masking, something like this. Okay, yeah, this is nice. So about this masking method, guys, sometimes it can take like a long time. Yes, it's hard somehow, and it can take a long time. Yeah, depend what the kind of the color you are isolating and how it is moving about. Yes, the animation, okay, of that color. So let me just select this color very fast as possible. Yeah, all right, so now I'm done for making these, for masking this color. Okay, so the things I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this clip. Okay, so I have to hold on Alt on your keyboard and then duplicate, move it up. Okay, so and I have to delete the mask about this bottom one clip. Okay, so let me do it something like this. Now you see guys, this is the mask selected on the top clip. Okay, so and the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to mask, guys, when you try to moving around like this, you see the mask is on the one frame. Okay, so the things I have to do, you just click on the beginning of this clip and then I'm going to mask or just to track. Okay, I have to select in this progress, you have to just wait a few times. Okay, and it depends how long your clip it is. All right guys, so now you see the masking is already done. So when it is done, this green, when it is disappeared, so the things you have to do, just you have to just to cut off. Okay, let me just cut off by here. Okay, but you see guys, it is complicated somehow. The things you have to do, just you have to come and then just correct some frames which was miss. Okay, something like that. Okay, so when you're done, you just have to cut off. Let me try to mask some mask which was okay, and then the things you have to do, I have to do, you see when I disable this down clip, yes, or the bottom clip, you see I remains the green one. Okay, here on this arm. Okay, so the things I have to do, I have just to come here and then come here on this basic, and then I reduce the saturation of these top clips. Now you see guys, it is the green remains one, but you see how guys here there is some small like issues which was not going well. Okay, but it's depend, I told you it is complicated somehow, and depend what the kind of the things which has color you are just making masking. Okay, something like this, but this is the method you can use for isolating any color you want in Premiere Pro, guys. So guys, don't forget, if you like this video guys, please don't forget to make a subscribe, like, share, and drop the comment down below. Let me know what you think, guys. So, and see you in the next video. Peace.